us, when we set a timer, go, I'll set it for 10 minutes, I'll set it for 20, right? How many of us do that? I don't do that. I set it for 17 minutes. I set it for 23 minutes. And you're all uncomfortable right now. I practiced that before I came, I want you all to know. I did. And what you all just said to me is exactly my point. Because when you are uncomfortable, you remember it. When you're not uncomfortable, you forget about it. Okay? Remember, you are working with a population that likes novelty. You're working with a population that bores really easily. Anyone else have a client who bores super duper easily? Okay? Exactly. So isn't setting the timer for 17 minutes or 23 minutes a little fun? Okay, maybe it's a little uncomfortable, but it's also fun and funny. 17 minutes? Yeah, let's do it for 17. Whoever wrote the book, it has to be 20. Someone pointed out to me, but there's no rule. There's no rule saying 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Let's do 17 and 23. I guarantee your client will like it. I mean, don't. You'll try something else. But the point of that is it's novel. And when you have something novel, what happens to the brain? It remembers it. It focuses on it.